Good morning, DJ. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? It's currently Thursday, February 13th. The time is currently 8:17 a.m. What's up, DJ? Still kind of tired, just about not waking up, but like I didn't wake up not too long ago. Um, Woke up today at 7:40. Don't ask. I got in late yesterday from working, so did two games. First game went into overtime. Two overtimes and then went into PKs and then the second game got delayed, so I got back late and which pushed back my sleep time and which tumbled onto this, right? So I got up at 7:40. I hydrated, I wrote down my goals and I wrote down my goals and I read. That's pretty much it. I didn't get to stretch or meditate. After reading, I had to go do the things that humans do. And so I didn't have time to do the other stuff in my morning routine. But we're here, we're active, we're live, let's get going. Just arrived at my desk, okay? So I arrived at my desk at was that 8:17. As always, my weekly target is 5% and my daily target is my two bullets. Okay, mental check-in. I'm feeling pretty good. All right, a little bit tired, not gonna lie. That sleep was so good. I didn't even want to get up, but a little bit tired, but I'm here. Okay, so it is what it is. Been pretty good. Excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Okay, see how I can get 1% better in these charts. Okay. Risk disclaimer. I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. All right, so today, sure. Oh, I haven't yawned in one of these in a minute, no? I think so. It's been a while since I yawned on one of these. But anyway, today we have news coming out at 8:30. We have high impact news coming out at 8:30 and medium coming out at 10:30. Okay, so we have news. So it's an optimal day to take a trade. All right. If the model presents itself, right? If it doesn't, then that's fine. Just because there's news doesn't mean that a model will be in the charts. So let's go ahead and determine risk. We're back at our lowest leverage, okay, which is one. So not really much to do there. Okay, so risk is one. If I do take a trade, I don't think I will be. I think I'm done on that for this week. Okay. And we move with the rest of the week will be done with trading and tape reading. Okay, so yep. Determine race weekly condition. I'm in a buy program. Which is something I need to like ring in more. Okay, I know I'm in a buy program, right? Yesterday, while I was tape reading price action, like I was, well, it was just the sell setups was pertinent to me. In price anyway, and they weren't really. It was just like minor retracement because obviously it was a very bullish day, and the sell setups were very minor retracement. So I need to start bringing in the higher time frame and understanding where I'm at in the higher time frame and where it's going. I'm in a buy program, okay, so that means sales will be less probable, okay, and don't marry the sell trades because they won't obviously give me tons of profits, okay, so and obviously focus more on the program that we're in, on the buy program, being looking for more buys than sells, right? That's something I need to start ringing in, okay, to get a full picture of what's going on. Even though I have it, I don't really focus on it because I'm buying and selling. So I'm just hunting the setup right now, you know what I'm saying? But I need to start paying attention to the higher time frame and just focusing, not mainly focusing like 80% on my attention on the weekly program and 20% on the counter trend trades and and treating them different, if that makes sense. But yeah, that's what I realized yesterday um when the day was up. So yeah, so weekly program is in the buy program. Let's go ahead and review price action to see if anything has happened overnight, okay, to change that weekly program for me. Let's confirm with Forest. They only have 8:30. Okay. Okay. All right, so the dollar bill, yeah. Dollar took buy side, okay, and then retraced lower to take sell side. Yeah, it took yesterday's previous daily low here. Okay, so what might we want to see some bullishness? We're inside a 4 hour CB right now with the volume imbalance there. So let's see how price behaves in here. Came back into the weekly busy. It's a higher time frame inefficiency, so price is allowed to use it multiple times, okay, and it usually will use it multiple times because it's engineering liquidity on both sides, okay. So I still believe dollars going higher, okay, meaning NQ should be going lower, but they can move together, okay. And Q my drawn liquidity, okay, as it's been for a while now. Well, since what? One, two, three. Well, it was here, and then now it's here, and then should we go past this and continue higher, it'll be here. Okay, so yeah, my drawn liquidity is the daily CB, the remainder of the CB, okay, with this liquidity, all right, relative equal highs right for the take in there. Okay, so that's my drawn liquidity there. Yesterday, we dropped into the new week opening gap. Okay, consequent encouragement, and then rallied higher to take buy side. Okay, as you can see, price was respecting the CB, and then now we disrespected it. It should act as an inversion fair value gap, also because it has a busy next to the instead of it. So this should keep price higher to my target of where I want. Well, first initially it has to get to this 4 hour CB with relative equal highs in front of it as well, just like the daily one, right? So first it has to defeat this level and then go to the next level, right? Depending on how it behaves here, okay, we'll determine if it wants to keep coming up here. But as far as my current understanding goes, okay, nothing's happened in price action to change my weekly program. If anything is confirmed my weekly program for me, okay. So the Monday, Sunday low. That's a tough one, right? Would that be a Monday low? Would that be a Sunday low? Would that be Wednesday low of the week? You know what I'm saying? Let's see, let's do on the daily. Yeah, so it'll be a Monday low of the week there. All right, so let's go ahead and identify buy side and sell side, and let's talk a little bit about the PM session trade from yesterday. It's got a lot of lines on here, but it's very explainable. So let's go ahead and explain. Oh, I think it'll be better on here. If I had kept those, I think I did keep those. What a sexy M15 trade there during Asia. Oh, well, yeah, no. Yeah, it wouldn't be this, but I saw this, but it doesn't trade back below the key high. Or does it? It depends on how this candle formed, and I wasn't in front of the chart to, I don't know if it trades back to and through it. Then it would have made sense here. But if it didn't, then see if there's an old high somewhere. Nope, 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 nope. Nothing that would be relevant. But yeah, let's London dipped boy. Da-da-da, ba-ba-da-da. Let's finish talking about yesterday's trading, then I'll delete the lines that are not pertinent for today, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so yeah, this was a brilliant M15 trader. Key low, swing low, displacement back above. There was a daily low too here. Obviously, I keep the last 3 days, so it disappeared already. Ba-da-da-ba-ba-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah. What's the opposite of trying to catch a falling knife? Like, because it wasn't falling, it was rising, right? But yeah, we had there was actually a bunch of a lot of trades in yesterday when I look back at it. This was a trade that we observed already. Okay, remember there was a key low, a daily low, previous daily low here, right? It's already gone because it was probably like part of the third day and not for today, right? So and then we had this set up here, 9:30. Okay, came back to a key low. We had a seconds chart trade here. This is the trade that we were in that failed, and then we go into this. This actually gave us TP2, the one that we were in. It gave us TP2, and then it turned around. But it turned around and gave us a brilliant buy setup here. Kilo, swing low, displacement back above it. Oh, this kilo wasn't there. This is yesterday's previous day. No, this is a previous daily low. Was it there yesterday? Oh, it was there yesterday. It was a previous daily low. Swing low, displacement up, market structure shift. All right, fair value gap here. Sexy trade. Sexy, sexy. And it just that trade would have been like the trade of the month or the day there. Oh, if he had missed the this one, well, this was the trade of the morning, and then we had a bunch of them actually, and it just kept rallying higher. Okay, so let's get into lunch, okay? Because I believe we ended somewhere here. Okay, we had a failed setup here. Oh, it didn't fail. It didn't give us 102 regardless. Okay, we took what was it? Oh, yeah, it was the AM session buy side here. It was taken here on the 1 minute, but it was taken here on the 15 minute here. Okay. Yeah, this would have been a trade that would have tripped me up here. Okay, would have failed. No worries there. Okay, we're still below kilo here. Swing low, displacement, market structure shape, your fair value gap. All right. Stop below this swing low. Until the swing low goes, this trade is still valid. Okay, so it comes back into the lowest fair value gap there and rallies higher. We had the sell trade here, gave you 102. Yeah, majority of the sales gave you like just about 102 first take profit, and that was it because it was a strong bullish day. Okay, we had another setup here. This was taken on the 5 minute, not just on the 1 minute as well. Okay. Lower time frame setup would have been the seconds chart. Okay, this would have failed. And then we had another setup right here. Doesn't come and take you out. Rallies. This gave you, yeah, just about 202 there. This gave you 102, the sell. Key high, lunch session high. Okay, we also have a previous day, previous high as well, session high, I believe it was. Swing high, this space is back below, market structure shift, fair value gap there, gives you 202. Okay, key high, swing high, displacement, fair value gap there, market structure shift gives you 102 there. Okay, it was a very strong bullish day. Okay, so we had good setups actually. Yeah, we had some sexy buy setups. So I'm starting to understand this a little bit. Okay, having all these lines there and where the trade forms, obviously depending on what the program is, right, of the week. Okay, so then obviously you want to be focusing on the program and the direction of the higher time frame. Because if you were just focused on buys today, right? Oh well, on this particular day yesterday, or if you were just focused on looking for buys, then obviously you would have been avoided these local sales, mini retracement that weren't really like tiny retracements in that price, right? So that's what I learned from yesterday. Okay, and that was the business from yesterday. Let's see if there's any setups in overnight. So it's probably something here on a lower time frame, but that's outside of our trading hours there. Oh, and my draw for the day was actually it was this high here, which got smashed. Looked like something was here. Oh, news coming out. Did this thing already? God damn, we missed the news. Too busy running my track. It's all good though. Won't be trading it anyway. It won't do us any good. I would just love to see what I did first. I ran up and took buy side and then came down. All right, so he took London session buy side there, okay, with a previous daily high. Oh, yep, it just came into this M15 trader. Key high, swing high, displacement, fair value gap there. Came into that. So that's that trade panning out. Want to make sure I have all the relative highs that I need. This is high here. It's in close proximity to this high. Also, the lows I don't need, I can delete those. Uh, to what we have. Wait, today's Thursday, so I need to see Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I need to see this week. I can go. All right, we have PM session buy side here. Okay, we got London session sell side open. Oh, let's talk about it first. Why I started is doing it above price. Okay, we had London session, which already price had just engaged in it. Okay, above that we have Asia session buy side, and we have previous daily highs here. They're weekly or they're weekly previous weekly highs. Okay, it is last week's high. So should we continue higher here? Okay, this is the next strong liquidity. London session low. Make it 2 because it hasn't been taken yet. Sink in the chart. Your Asia session high above price. Oh, I don't have that on here in it, so I delete those off here. So I need to try that. Okay, cool. And London session buy side is right here in line with this high, but we don't have this high either. We have this one though. They're in close proximity. Okay, so we'll keep just the one below beneath there. Sure, there's a lower time frame entry here somewhere within trade though. It's even at M5 trade setup. Beverly Gap, and that's what we come into. We're spending higher. I'm still trying to figure out how I want this layout because I don't need these lines from the I'll keep it on the M5, I guess. Just don't want to see it on the M15, but that's what the line I drew them on. So need to figure that out. My draw for the week on price in general. Doesn't have to go there this week. Yeah, I just took both sides just like that. Back at London buy side. Yeah. Yeah. Let's focus here. I'm wondering if there's a way to get them on those two. Yeah, I just have to make it into a 5 minute thing and then sync it and then like how I used to do the Sunday open first, make it disappear. So I can keep the 15-minute clean at least a little bit. Thursday, Thursday. Take read that. Okay. Wow, you're gonna come all the way there and not tag us in there? Wow, that's crazy. All right, you'd be getting tagged in there now at 8:49. Spoke too soon there. 8:50 macro kicking off. So it's 15 minutes post news, so you'll be perfectly okay to be entering the market. You might be wishing it didn't tag me in soon. The counter trend trade, so let's be aware of that, okay? It's also Thursday, so it's the potential to have a Thursday reversal profile. Not likely, but it's a potential. We get a fair value gap confirmed here. I'll be getting in demo. Like I said, I'm working on letting the first trade pass me by. And even if the next trade is a loss, I'm prepared for that and I'm okay with that. I accept that. Six, 4, 2, 5. Oh. So counter trend trade. Could potentially be an inversion now. Not looking good for that trade though, is it? Bye bye, bye bye, love my life. My eye, don't cry, I need to go wash you. Right? Hmm. Gonna use it as an inversion. I want to see that. Actually, could also have a CV confirmed here. Key high, swing high, displacement back below it. Beverly give that if it's confirmed. And it's not, so yeah, it's coming up. Asia session buy side potentially, and today's buy side here. That could be wrong too, but we wait and we see. Thank you too. I'm gonna do like a trial run with a 100K account on here and trade MNQ and use the leverage calculator and all, just to see how it goes. So that'll be in April. Oh, oh, mate. Oh, fucking hell.
She's never watching this daily journal.
Just don't say anything. That's incriminating.
I'm gonna say it before I forget. No, just say one thing.
Okay, hold on. Let me mute this thing. Hold on, DJ. Hold on, hold on.
Okay.
All right, DJ, we back. We back. Sorry you didn't catch that T there. It's not for your ears. Nothing's happening in this trade anyway. Trying to make sure my clothes don't fly out this balcony. Oh, fucking hell. Mine's tired out here in these streets. Can you believe I put my watch to charge last night and it didn't charge? There's a problem with I don't know if it's the wire or the thing, plug-in thing, or it's been giving me issues, man. You think it's charging and it's not really charging. Oh, it was a madness today. This is an overload. I don't remember yawning this much. Not opening bell yet, so you know that. Mhm. The weekly high here that's not showing on the 15-minute time frame. See that? Opening bell, about to kick off. It's below price. Okay, so we gapped up. Close here at 414, and then we opened. We opened here. Still in this trade. Don't know how. Excuse me. Thirteen to 11. Taken out. Again, taking out this trade too. Wait 15 minutes to enter the market. And that stop would have been something, boy. Would have even made a difference. Still wouldn't be fucking with that stop, no. Still not bad, really and truly in the grand scheme of things. I've had worse. Mhm. Had worse stuff than that. All right, taking Asia session buy side then. Of that, we have these relative equal highs here, weekly highs, old weekly highs, and this is a last week's high. This is an old weekly high. This is last week's high because we have the number here. So 21.96.8 is the next draw for me.
I don't know where you are, but you can show me. Go to privacy setting.
Sure. Why are you listening? Ain't nobody talking to you. It's the upcoming forum post news, but you want to be getting in 15 minutes after the news, which would have been perfectly fine here and here. One came inside of it. Maayo. Don't cry. Yo. Maybe sync now. Where is it? We have London Session Southside below price. No time is of the essence. Come and give me blessings. Let it rain down on me. Got no time to waste. Come get a taste. Fill all my fantasy. Wanna give it all to you. I wanna give it all to you. Mm. You should look into my eyes and you see in designer. Dolce and Gabbana. Pass me the, pass me the goldie, make me slow. Pass me the go, goldie, go. Yeah, brisket don't always. Yesterday I was thinking, what was I thinking? It was just kind of dawning on me that like I know where I want to go, but it's taking too long for me, like I'm a person like I want to go somewhere and get me there now, type thing. Like I want to be there now, but I understand it's gonna take time. Okay, this is a career. It's not a get rich quick scheme type thing, okay, and it's gonna take time for me to develop and gain the experience I need to gain in these markets, okay, to get to where I need to get to. Okay, I understand all that. I'm trusting the journey, I'm trusting the process, and just showing up every day and doing what I need to do 1%. But I'm still human, I still just, it's like sometimes just be like, fuck, man, why am I not where I want to be already? Just some thoughts will be running through my head. Why am I not where I want to be already? And then I get started on the throne and just like, yo, like I wasted all these years back then not knowing what I didn't know. But hey, everything happens for a reason. That's life. I probably wasn't ready and willing and open at the time to obviously receive any of this information that I have currently. Okay, so that's probably why it just I never crossed my path, right? So, but it's crossed my path now, and there's no letting it go. So hey, I'm gonna do whatever I need to do to make it here. You only fail when you quit, and quitting ain't in me. Not after what I've seen, not after the potential that I've seen. Removed it here, left it there. Okay. All right, you'd be getting tagged in there. 9:49, 1 minute away from 9:50 macro. Does she look in my eyes? Does she see in designer? Dolce and Gabbana. Pass me the, pass me the, pass me the codeine. Pass me the cocorico. All of these setups are counter trend trades, but that's all the model is presenting right now. Okay, we're not at any lows. The only last low model form that was these two lows. Okay, no, it's this right here. So with that being said, right, this second fair value gap would have been the lowest I would want to be getting in, but even that risk is like get too good for me. I wouldn't want that. That's a madness of a risk. I would want to be gaining that close to consequent encouragement at least, if anything. And I'm giving up to you. Tell me for the instance, come and give me blessings. Got no time to waste. Come get a taste, fulfill all my fantasy. Down. I wanna give it all to you. I wanna give it all to you. But you know, did you look into my eyes and you see in designer, Dolce and Gabbana. All right, those seems to be wanting to go lower. So that MNQ is open and free and clear to go higher into its premium, while dollar heads into its discount. We want to take this monthly low here and then rally higher potentially. Sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't, right? Trading in that time. We'll be taking a fat L there. Thank God for tape reading. Yeah, like this week or this weekend, I really need to figure out how I'm gonna have this laid out here. That is Monday's PM session, open range low. 302 taking you out break even now. Oh. $202 be half risk there. So yeah, I have to have all of it on there, innit? No matter how big, no matter how small you may be, go beyond that. TP1 smashed it. Excuse me. TP2 smashed too. That's probably all it's gonna give us there. You at least be half in the risk here would be 50, 10, 61. Then she'll set up here with this fair value gap here. This one would be a break even now. Still enough comment taking you out yet. The counter trend trade. So you gotta take what you have to take what it gives you and just run with it, you know? Mhm. But I'm just here testing, so I'm not really bothered about it. I know where I would be, partial and out. So whatever happens here in this demo trade account, I don't really care. But TP2 would have been smashed, so I'll be at half risk, right? After taking 2 profits. Which is more than yesterday was giving me. It was barely giving me 202. But I think only one trade gave us 202 yesterday. The rest were like, the sell trades were like 102, just about. But you still would be in this trade here from 9:30 opening. You'd be at break even now, okay? And it wouldn't have come and taken you out as of yet. Waiting to see if 402 gets hit here and how this trade pans out. So she look into my eyes and she's seeing designer, Dolce and Gabbana. You would the one I finished up. Balance price range. Yeah, but this secondary trade obviously would have taken you out already. Oh, would have taken you out there half risk. Give you a quick 202 there. Take it. And we'll be heading to 402. Pass me the goldie, make me slow. Pass me the go goldie, go. Let's go on the train. Taken by side last week's previous high, along with the old weekly high, and along with opening range buy side there. And hitting forward too right there. I'm gaining something every time I'm here. I'm gaining something. So, all right, okay. I see you. I see you. I see you. So all of it is relevant. Every single bit of it is relevant. Telling you the story, right? Boom, 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 boom. Let's do this trade panning out here. So that logos. Okay, this trade is still valid there. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Taking these buy side here. So weekly. This week, and then we have this week. These 2 weeks of the $1 line in close proximity that's showing right now. This was last week and the previous week. Taking those buy side, coming into this 4-hour CB there. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. So what I have to do is come on the day in the morning, okay? I need to know the 3 days prior. All right. So let's say like today is Thursday. 3 days before this, I want to see Wednesdays, Tuesdays, and Mondays. All the liquidity from Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. Cool. So Friday it will be Thursday, Wednesday, and Tuesday. Cool. It's always 3 days back. 3 days back. Now what name is it? Ting 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 ting. I'll take a look after we're done here. After I'm done here anyway. Okay, and if there's nothing in the past 3 days, then I extend back. Cool. Okay, we have a lunch session by side from 24th January, Friday. Make it by side. Extend to the right. But that same day we have I believe it will be AM session. Yeah, AM session. Yeah. Yeah, when it goes back like that, I just want to see fresh ones. Cool. All right, all right, all right, all right. I'm starting to get, where I want to be. Starting to get it. This is me. This is my trading, right? It's for me. So it's what I want. I just have to be okay with missing moves. Relatively cohesive here. Okay. That trade from down here, though, boy, it's still going. Yo, yo. Boom. Take liquidity, displays back up, fair value up there, 15 minutes set up there. Boom, 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 boom. Outside of the 3 days, okay, they need to be fresh. Well, for me anyway. Need to trade back below those highs for me to be interested. 1% better every day. 1% better every day. All right, so we trade back below them. Okay, so this is valid, a valid setup for me then now. Can go ahead and put my short position tool. Another short, right? Those are the only ones here. Those are the only ones here, man. There is no sell side in this range where I'm at right now to be looking for sales. I'm taking the buy side I wanted to take, so I'm just going with what price is giving me, and that's what it's giving me. 79, 2, 6, 7, 8, 102. Let's see. Could this be it for the shorts here? Let's see here. We've come into a 4-hour CB. Okay, I do want to see some bearishness. Doesn't have to though. Doesn't have to. Still head into my draw. That's one. I need to focus more on the draw because once I have the draw, then everything else is like cakewalk. Last week, there was another week I had was no, it was this week. This week I had the draw of here and I was accurate on that. This week I was completely thrown off because of Michael. Well, I let Michael throw me off here. Changed to a buy sell program when I know I'm in a buy program. My program is a buy program. His might have been a sell for that week. No taggy in the trady yet. News coming out or medium impact news coming out at 10:30. Yep. I want to give it all to you. Does she look into my eyes and she's seeing designer Dolce and Gabbana. I think you'll be tagging me in there. Yep, you began tagged in there at 10:31. You were going to be a bus and this is going to hit TP5. Or it's going to be calm and it's going to hit TP1. Either way, either way, either way, either way, either way, doesn't matter. Make it max, either way. Gotta take the L's with the wins, you know? Gotta take the L's with the W's. Very hungry, bro. There you go. TP5 getting taken out there. Oh, let me leave that on there. And so we can review all the trades for today when we're done here. What is taking us down, I'll break even there. Pixel 2 is just being smashed right now. Well, obviously the buys are winning because it's going with the program. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, 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 cool. Understood, understood. Says right here. Buy model. Expansion to the upside. Buy model. Focus on being a buyer. Full leverage, full max leverage on pro trend trade. If you trade CT trades, use half or less of max leverage. Bias for the week, Polish large leverage. Okay, for something of those. Six or two smash there. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This one's hitting for 8. Cool, 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 cool. I'm happy, I'm happy. Pass me the pudding, make me slow. Time is of the essence. Come and give me blessings. Let it rain down. Got no time to waste. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, nothing on that 4 minute there. Maybe something on the lower time frame here. Either way, we still have a 1 minute set up. 15 minutes set up there. Sexy stuff. Even this one. Delicious. Scrumdiddlyumptious. There was two there. I could just tell by what was happening that there was two there. I think we're smashing 702, no lie. Yeah, 702 smashed that. 8. We're going to put AO2 here to be bing bang biggity bosh. Ooh, there it is. Ooh, there it is. There it is. 902. No 10. Coming up to that monthly high there. This monthly high. Into this remainder of this daily inefficiency. Which has been my draw. Which I'm so happy and pleased. Okay, about. All right, so very happy and pleased about that. And dollar is coming lower for its sell side. All right, okay. All right, okay. So dollar came in here onto the 4-hour CB. And it just turned around, took that buy side. Just placement down. It's coming into its monthly sell side. Well, NQ is going into its monthly buy side. Okay, all right. So dollar lower right now, meaning NQ higher. That's the way. Could potentially be coming all the way down here. That's a bop. That is a bop and a half, dog. Well, down here. It's not that much of a bop once you look at it, really. Okay, dollar lower, NQ higher. They're going for opposing liquidity, so that's where you want to be. I haven't taken a look at this in a while. Sorry. Let me not show his stuff on here, right? I pay for this, so it's worth paying for. I would pay for it. Oh, Ian, February 14. As you can see, Feb on here is seasonally bullish. Okay, and that's what's happened. Well, turns bearish after this week. So it's probably heading up there, and then it's gonna retrace a little bit and then back up for March. Yeah. Sorry, more. I didn't mean to show your stuff. It was only for a brief minute. I recommend paying for it. It's definitely worth it, and it definitely helps. Gives you a roadmap, really, and truth of what to expect seasonally. And you just follow that roadmap, and you take majority of trades where the roadmap is heading. It's not always going to be 100% accurate. Nothing here is 100%. So, but it definitely has been helpful. But I haven't, one thing I haven't done my monthly review monthly review for last month, and I haven't done my monthly analysis for February, and I'm trading in February. It's crazy, isn't it? Slacking, man. This quarter I've been slacking, literally, really. I said I was gonna keep up with my daily journals, like the paper ones. I haven't been doing that. Slacking. Like, have like a picture log of all the trades of the day and stuff. Haven't been doing that. Then I need to get it together. Just know if I'm trying to get to where I need to get to, I can't be half heart in what I'm doing, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, bro. You say you want to do something, do it. Do the hard work, do the hard stuff that's gonna get you to where you need to be. Trying to find the high of, yes, right here. 20-day look like. Yeah, right here. Relative equal highs. Nothing for me to do here. Unless I want to follow this high here, but like I said, if it's not in the last 3 days, it has to be a fresh liquidity. So that's probably something I need to put down in my protocols. Oh, it's on my phone. We'll be done here at 11:10, okay? So let's see what this 1050 macro have for us, and then we'll go ahead and do a trade performance review and get up, 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 on out of here. So when I note buy side and sell side, right? I want to extend for liquidity. And for liquidity. He has those. And for liquidity, have those from almost 3 days. Present day. And show and trade time. Okay. When you give this document, it's gonna be insane. It's gonna have it all. It's gonna have processes, routine, trading routine, trading routine. Yeah, that's the trading routine. Gonna have the routine, the model, the processes. Then it's gonna have risk management, model, trade management, and procedures and protocols. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'll put the morning routine and trade routine here. This is trade routine. Everything here is trade routine. That's morning routine, trade routine, and then we have the model. Well, I'll explain the model here, and then we have this is the process. And then on this side, we'll have the risk management, trade management, and then procedures and protocols. I want to give it up to you. Are you seeing in your eyes? Are you seeing designer? Dolce and Gabbana. Got me going banana. Just taking a list of all the things I need to get done. Update flow chart, close out January, February monthly review. Bring the journal up to date. Oh, I'm learning a lot, man. I'm learning a lot. Gaining the experience I need to. Picking up things that I want to see and stuff. So I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. I see where I could have partook in the trade today. Okay. So I'm very happy about that. So if you're coming in on Monday, then you need to see Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, right? Monday was here. I needed to see Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday. And Wednesday. And Wednesday. What did happen? Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. All right, all right, all right, all right. You, Leo. So just this morning alone from 8, women beginning auto heal just fine. She still comes back in here. So like 1, 2, we'll count it, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 that I can see, right? This is also potential, so 7 here. And 4 of them out of 4. 4 out of 7 gave you something. And 3 out of 7 resulted in a boss. Just under 1 minute though, you know. Yeah, I don't. I need a second thought. That would just be way too much. I have to be strategic on those on the second time frame. I don't need it for now. Okay, I'm gonna hold off on it for now. All right, let's go ahead and do a trade performance review. Don't think anything spectacular is gonna happen in the next 4 minutes. All right, let's give it 2 more minutes and then we'll do a trade performance review and get out of here and get to my to-do list that I have to do for today. All of the shit I've been throwing off doing. I need to do it. I need to get back on task. Even though I'm like focused, I'm still like slacking in a sense, okay? Like I have to be my hardest critic. I cannot slack on myself. Yeah, no, I've really been letting it. Like I've been focused on the charts and stuff, but there's other things other than the charts I need to get done, and I need to start doing them. Yeah, because they're all it's my business, right? It's all like complete. It's a full 360, you know? It can't just be a 180. I can't just be focused on one aspect of my business. I have to do every aspect of it. And I still need to get this pitch deck. At least a rough draft of it. And that I at least need a rough draft of it and get that down. The pitch deck. The pitch investors for I'm the Trader Capital, because that's what this whole thing is about, okay? It's not just about me. And that's why I need to like be more focused and more organized and more diligent about what I'm doing here, okay? Seconds chart, yeah, that would be for my own personal trading, okay? That would be for my own personal trading. Because yeah, I don't want to OD it being too many trades, okay? That's too much risk. All right, so 1 minute, 1 minute we're cutting it off for the trade capital. Seconds chart will be for my own personal stuff. Because investors don't, want their money at risk all the time, you know what I'm saying? Risk. There's also more losing trades on the seconds chart. So 8:30 to 11:10. Your morning is done. Something like that. One, two, three, four. All right, let's go ahead and do a trade performance review and let's get out of here because I got a lot of things to do. Okay, so what I did well today, I showed up powerfully. Okay, got 1% better. All right. Golly, just lost my train of thought there for a second. Too busy thinking about what I was just doing. Yeah, I showed up. Okay, got 1% better, gained experience. All right. Learned lessons in these markets. No monetary outcome, but that's the last thing on my mind right now. Okay, I know that's gonna come with more experience and more lessons being learned. All right. And turning losses into turning the losses into lessons, which will eventually lead to W's. Okay, so it was a great morning session of tape reading and demo trading. Okay, I'm very happy and pleased with my performance. I'm so excited and happy that I'm able to identify the model and obviously even see more opportunities in the market based on my learning and my understanding of price action. Okay, so is I'm happy about that. Where I fell short today is I didn't wake up at a decent hour. Okay, I woke up really behind time today, so I didn't get to complete my morning routine. As long as it's not nothing I'm falling short in front of the charts, it's a good day for me. Okay, so these are things that I can work on. In terms of chart wise, I don't think there's anything I felt like I fell short on. Yeah, all the trades that I was really looking at was really following the model and and the analyst. Okay, okay. So yeah, really much. Yeah, it was post 15 minutes when I was trying to get in this one. Okay, yeah, 15 minutes after the news has come out. Obviously, the news already set up a setup, but I saw a set up our post news as well. That was the post news setup. Got it. And here. Here, I wasn't even looking to do anything there. At that point, you might as well just wait till 9:50 then, innit? I did say, what was it? Was I say 5 minutes before? Yeah, I said 5 minutes before that. I didn't want to be getting in. So 5 minutes before 9:50, I don't really want to be getting into the market. If I'm tagged in before that, then that's fine, but I don't really want to be getting to the market 5 minutes before. 5 minutes before we were here. But then I would miss this one, innit? I'm still debating on that. But anyway, yeah, don't know where I fell short, but let's move on to the next one. How I can improve for the next trade, next trading day. Keep sticking to the model, okay? Keep sticking to the processes as you update the processes and the procedures and the protocols. Like I said, I'm gonna update the flow chart. So by if not this week, well, but this week's already almost done anyway. Definitely for next week, I will have an updated flow chart with everything that I need on there for the protocols and stuff. So I have everything in the forefront of my mind always when I come in front of these charts. So yeah, I'm gonna have that done. Just keep following the protocols and the procedures that you set in place for yourself, okay, and for your model, all right. And just don't deviate from it. And obviously, only adjust as you collect more data in the charts and gain more experience. That's when obviously adjust and add more. That's what this whole thing is about. It's been about really and truly just trying to gain the experience and the knowledge, okay, to adapt to the market so I can change my protocols and procedures, obviously to form fit the market condition I'm in, and also to have a structured approach and not be second guessing when stuff comes. Okay, so that's why I'm building the experience of seeing the model in its different condition and different market condition and seeing how it behaves. Seeing what I like and don't like and what I don't want to see and what I do want to see, what would make me want to risk money on this trade. So I'm enjoying the journey so far. It's been good, even though to like I'm enjoying the journey and I'm trusting the process and I'm trusting the journey and I'm showing up and doing what I need to do. And I still feel like it's taking too long. Okay, but like that is just part. It's just part of it. Just by trusting the process and just showing up and doing what I need to do. Like I say, 1% by every day is gonna compound. And in a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, I won't even recognize the trader that I will become. Okay, so I'm happy and pleased with my performance today. Okay, a good morning of tape reading and demo trading, and just overall gaining a better understanding of my model. Okay, and how it operates and how it works and stuff. So I'm happy and pleased with the way my progress is going. Okay, just keep going. Okay, don't even think about how long or how far behind you feel like you are, or how long it's going to take you to get to where you need to get to. Just focus on the daily, focus on the experience. Yeah, focus on the daily experience, and getting 1% better every day, and just before you know it, you're gonna be where you need to be, okay, y'all. So I know you want to get there by today, by tomorrow. You want to be there already, You want to be financially set, financially free. You want to have time freedom. You want to have location freedom. Okay, that's the journey I'm on. Okay, and it's not gonna happen overnight, baby girl. Okay, it's not gonna happen overnight. It may seem overnight one day when it just comes and happens. It may seem like it was an overnight success thing, but you know the journey that you're on, okay, and that's why I'm documenting these journals, okay, just to so I can look back and be like, whoa, this is how I started, this is where I was at, this is where I changed my protocols, my procedures, and this is how I elevated my trading to the next level, right? So yeah, this is just the beginning. All right. DJ, thank you for sticking out with me. We're in this together, me and you, okay? Cannot wait to see where we're gonna be in the next 5 years. All right. But yeah, that'll be it for today. Brilliant morning. I'm gonna look back at this morning, okay, and obviously see where the trade was at. Obviously, you already know where the trades was at and stuff, but obviously I didn't recognize this until obviously I look back and I'm like, okay, there is something there. It's still liquidity, right? It's still buy side and sell side, and it's still in the last 3 days can still be a factor in price. All right, I knew that, but obviously didn't extend all of it. I haven't been extending all of it from the last 3 days, but now I know to do that. Right now, I'm adding that into my my protocol and my routine, okay, for my morning. So that's how I'm improving every day, okay, by just being in here and gaining the experience myself, right? This is something that I cannot teach somebody. This is something that I cannot go and learn from somebody. I have to be in the market, gaining the experience for myself, okay? Like I always say, trading is a solo sport, all right? How do I want to partake in this sport? How can I improve my skill and get better in this sport, okay? It's not a team sport. There's nobody for me to rely on. It's just me. So I need to form fit it to fit me and my needs, right? Okay. And obviously, I still understand that losses are the only things promised to traders. I'm just trying to eliminate them and manage risk to the best of my ability. Okay. So that's it, DJ. All right. Even though you're not where you need to be, just keep working. Okay. Don't worry about it. Don't even think about it. Don't think about it. Just keep focusing on 100% focus on what you're doing now. Okay. But always have your attention on where you're going. All right. Okay. Deuces. Catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're back here at 8:15 once again, okay? And we'll go to 11:10 again, okay? And then that'll be it for this week. So far it's been an incredible week. I'm just leveling up every damn week. I'm leveling up, okay? So one thing to note this week is that 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 I knew that didn't really haven't been implementing is that we're looking for our key highs and lows to be taken on the 15-minute or the 5-minute time frame, okay? Not 1 minute. Okay. Sometimes 1 minute pans out, but it's just a little too early, and it's just not worth it for me. Okay. If it's not on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute, I'm just gonna let the trade go without me, and I have no qualms and no problems about that. Okay. So yep, this was a 1 minute opening range buy side, but still, okay, we were still able to capitalize on the trade because there was obviously still a key high here. So it's not something that's like detrimental that we need to have. That obviously, like it's gonna be like a game changer in terms of trade wise. Yeah, I just rather be safe than sorry because my end goal is to manage other people's money and trade other people's money. So I don't want to do anything that's gonna jeopardize, however you say that freaking word. It's just being a tongue twister right now. I don't want to like put other people's money at risk unnecessarily. Okay, and the 1 minute time frame is just my own personal trading. Obviously, it's fine for me to do that, but with other people's money, it's just I'm just better off just doing a higher time frame liquidity grab than the 1 minute and lower, okay, because those are just like short-term moves. Sometimes it can be a long-term move, but it's not worth the risk for me. Okay, but anyway, I'm jabbering now. Anyway, we out, DJ. We out. See you tomorrow. Good night. Good night. Good night. It's not good night. It's 11:20, bro. All right, DJ. Happy hunting. Catch you tomorrow. Psych. Bye.